Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're taking a look at the FIREGAS 30-inch under cabinet range hood, a practical and affordable solution for improving ventilation in your kitchen. This range hood features a powerful 300 CFM exhaust fan, designed to quickly remove smoke, steam, grease, and cooking odors while you cook. It also includes 2 fan speeds, so you can switch between light ventilation for everyday cooking or stronger airflow when frying or grilling. The hood is built from durable stainless steel, giving it a modern look while also being resistant to heat, rust, and everyday kitchenware. Its 30-inch size fits most standard kitchen ranges and installs neatly under your cabinet for a clean setup. One of the most useful features is the duct and ductless convertible design. You can vent air outside with ducting or use it in ductless mode with a charcoal filter, making it flexible for different kitchen layouts. Operation is simple with easy rocker button controls, and it also includes a built-in LED light to brighten your cooking area. The aluminum mesh filters capture grease and are removable and washable, making maintenance quick and easy. Overall, the FIREGAS 30-inch under cabinet range hood offers solid ventilation, simple controls, and a sleek design at a very reasonable price. If you want to grab it for the best price, make sure to click the link below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.